Today topic longitudinal and transfer wave motion. Very important, very important. Listen carefully. Okay? Longitudinal and transfer wave motion. Wave motion, definition. Wave motion. The transportation of the disturbance from one place to another place. The transportation of the disturbance one place to disturbance from one place to another place. Very important. Listen, one place to another place in the medium is called wave motion. And definition, once the transportation of the disturbance from one place to another place in the medium is called wave motion. Example, water waves, water, seas, oceans, and water move one place to another place. So, sea, motion, one place to another place, transportation, disturbance. Okay? And wave motion is two types. The wave motion is two types. First one, longitudinal wave motion, and second one is transverse wave motion. First one, longitudinal wave motion. Second one is transverse wave motion. Okay? Wave motion, easy understand. Listen carefully. See this side. Wave motion, water waves. Example, see the canals. Water waves, one place to another place. One place to another place. Okay? So, repeat once. Definition of wave motion: the transportation of the disturbance from one place to another place, in the medium is called wave motion. Okay? Wave motion is two types. Wave motion is two types. First one, longitudinal wave motion, and second one is transfer wave motion. First one is longitudinal wave motion. Second one is transverse wave motion. Okay? Understand? Wave motion definition and wave motion two types: longitudinal wave motion and transverse wave motion. Okay? Understand or not? Understand? And longitudinal and transfer wave motion. Listen, two types wave motion: longitudinal wave motion and transfer wave motion. Okay? Longitudinal and transfer wave motion. Okay? Longitudinal wave motion. Longitudinal wave motion. The wave motion in which the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel. Very important. In a direction parallel. In a direction parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave motion. Okay, understand? Listen once. Definition. Parallel is very important. The wave motion in which the particle of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called transfer wave motion. Parallel topic is very very important sentence, parallel. Okay, example, sound wave in air, parallel, and seismic P wave and ultra sound waves, etc. Okay, listen carefully and understand. Okay, repeat once. Longitudinal wave motion. See this side, understand, very very important. The wave motion in which the particle of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the, parallel is very very important with compared to transfer wave motion, parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave motion. Okay, examples, sound wave in air, comma, seismic P wave and ultrasound waves, etc. and ultrasound wave in etc. Okay, next, transfer wave motion, longitudinal wave motion complete. Next, second one, transfer wave motion, the wave motion in which the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction. Listen, vibrate in a direction perpendicular. Parallel is longitudinal, perpendicular transfer wave motion, perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave is called transfer wave motion. Parallel is longitudinal, perpendicular is transfer wave motion. Example, water waves, radio waves, light waves, etc. Okay, repeat once, transfer wave motion. Okay, the wave motion in which the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave is called direction of propagation of the wave is called transverse wave motion. Okay, example, water waves, radio waves and light waves, etc. Understand? Okay, this is very important and easy topic. Listen once, be careful. See this side, listen once. Okay, repeat, longitudinal and transfer wave motion and completed. Short form, longitudinal and transfer wave motion. What is the longitudinal motion and example, and transfer wave motion and example? Okay, simple. Longitudinal wave motion, the wave motion in which the particle of medium vibrate in a direction parallel, very important, parallel to the direction of propagation of the direction of propagation of the direction of propagation of the propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave motion. Once the wave motion in which the particle of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave is called longitudinal wave motion. Okay. Next examples. Sound wave in air. Sound wave in air. Seismic P wave, ultrasound waves, etc. Okay. Seismic sound wave in air. Seismic P wave and ultrasound waves, etc. And second one, transverse wave motion. The wave motion in which the particle of the medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave is called transfer wave motion. Difference between longitudinal transfer. Longitudinal is parallel direction parallel to the direction. Transfer direction perpendicular to the direction. Okay. Examples of transfer wave motion: water waves, radio waves, and light waves, etc. Okay. Okay. Next, difference. Next, difference between longitudinal and transfer wave. Longitudinal and transfer wave. Okay. Differences between longitudinal and transverse waves. Okay. Differences between longitudinal and transfer waves. Okay. Differences. First one, longitudinal wave and transfer wave. First one point. Particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. Parallel to the direction propagation of the wave. So transfer waves lo particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Okay. Second one, the wave transfer in the form of compression and rarefaction. Compression and rarefaction. Okay, the wave transfers in the form of compressions and rarefaction. Transfers lo the wave transfer in the form of crests and throats. Crests and throats. Understand carefully. And third point, one compression and one rarefaction consists one wave. Listen, one compression and one rarefaction consists one wave. Transverse wave lo one create and one throw consists one wave. Okay, very important, easy. One crest and one throw consists one wave. Okay, fourth one, the wave can propagate in solids, liquids and gases. The waves can propagate in solids, liquids and gases. Transverse wave motions. This wave cannot propagate in gases but propagate in solids and on the surface of liquids. Listen, this wave cannot propagate in gases but propagates in solids and on the surfaces of liquids. Okay. Fifth one, this wave is one dimensional. This wave is one dimensional. And transverse wave, the wave is two dimensions. The wave is two dimensions in transverse. And longitudinal wave motion, sixth point is this wave cannot be polarized. And transverse wave motion, this wave can be polarized. Okay, this wave cannot be polarized. And seventh one, example, the primary wave in earthquake is example of longitudinal wave. The primary wave in earthquake. Transverse wave motion example, the secondary wave in earthquake. Okay, last and important and exam point of view, very very important question. Difference between longitudinal and transverse wave motion. Okay, so listen carefully, important points 4-5. Listen, first one, particle of the medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. particle of the medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. Parallel is longitudinal, perpendicular transfer wave motion. Okay, the wave transfers in the form of compression and rarefaction, and the wave travels in the form of crests and thoughts, crests and throats. This is transfer wave. And longitudinal wave, the wave one compression and one rarefaction constitute one wave. Okay, one crest and one throw constitute one wave. Okay, the wave can propagation in solids, liquids and gases, and the wave cannot propagate in gases but propagates in solids and on the surface of liquids. Okay, the wave is one dimension, is longitudinal transfer. This wave is two dimensions. And sixth point, this wave cannot be polarized. And transfer waves, the wave can be polarized. Okay, example of longitudinal wave, the primary wave in earthquake, and example of transfer wave, the secondary wave in earthquake. Okay, and listen. Okay, next practice the today topic. Okay, today topic complete. And next discussing relation of wavelength, frequency and velocity of wave. V is equal to n lambda. Okay, and stationary waves. Okay, interested? Careful, practice the today topic, and tomorrow assignment, give the assignment today, like difference between longitudinal and transfer waves. Okay, practice the homework. Okay, today topic is complete. Next, tomorrow discussing V is equal to n lambda and stationary waves. Listen carefully, don't discuss. Okay, correct.